In this lesson, we will discuss what is demand and what is law of demand. Demand is a desire of a person to buy something. There are two conditions for demand. Number one, willingness to buy. And number two, ability to buy. If a person is willing to buy something, but he is not able to buy, means he cannot pay the price, then that is not demand. And if he has money to buy the things, but he is not willing to buy, again this is not demand. So for demand, both conditions are important: willingness to buy and ability to buy. So far as law of demand is concerned, law of demand explains an inverse relationship between price of the commodity, good or service, and the quantity demanded. A decrease in price of a good, all other things held constant, will cause an increase in quantity demanded of the good. And an increase in the price of a good, all other things held constant, will cause a decrease in quantity demanded of the good. Other things held constant mean those factors which are other than the price of the commodity. For example, income of the buyer, taste or preference of buyers to buy the commodity, and the prices of related goods. For example, we have prices of the commodity as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When quantity demanded, we assume 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. So when price is 1, buyer is buying 10 units of the commodity. When price is 2, he will buy 8 units, and so on. When price is 5, he will buy 2 units. Or if this is market demand curve, mean demand for all the buyers, when price is 1, 10 buyers will buy the commodity. When price is 2, 8 buyers will buy the commodity, and when price is 5, only 2 buyers will buy the commodity. This is called law of demand. This shows that whenever there is increase in price level, there will be resultant decrease in quantity demanded. And if we see from bottom up, whenever there is decrease in prices, there will be a resultant increase in quantity demanded. Now this law can be seen with the help of diagram. We draw two axes, y-axis and x-axis. On x-axis we are measuring quantity demanded, and on y-axis we are measuring price. We assume price is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and for quantities we assume a scale like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Now in this table, when price is 1, quantity demanded is 10. So this is the line which shows price level equal to 1, and 10 is here, so this is the point. Let's suppose this is point A. So this is our point A on demand curve. When price is 2, quantity demanded is 8. Assume this is point B. So when price is 2, quantity demanded is 8. This is point B. When price is 3, quantity demanded is 6. When price is 4, quantity demanded is 4. When price is 5, quantity demanded is 2. So we have points C, D and E. C, D and E also shown here. So joining these points, we get DD dash demand curve. This demand curve explains an indirect relationship between prices and quantity demanded. Indirect relationship means whenever there is increase in price, quantity demanded will decrease, and whenever there is decrease in price, quantity demanded will increase. For example, look at the point C and point B. At point C, price is 3 and quantity demanded is 6. When we move from point C to point B, we notice that there is decrease in the prices. But on the other hand, due to this decrease in price, there is an increase in quantity demanded. So this is an indirect relationship. Or vice versa, if there is increase in price level, there will be resultant decrease in quantity demanded. This demand curve has negative slope. Negative slope mean indirect relationship, that if there is any change in one independent variable, here the prices are independent variable, the other variable will behave in opposite direction, that with the increase in prices, the other variable quantity demanded will decrease, and with the decrease in prices, other variable quantity demanded, it will increase. This is called law of demand. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.